Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to connect all the things in this pressure washer. This is a WEN electric pressure washer model PW19. It says max 2000 psi, but this is a maximum pressure, okay? That's not the operating pressure. 1.6 GPM, okay? Basically, on one side, you have this this port here, and this is where the water connection goes. And for water connection, inside this is a small filter, okay? So this you must leave the filter inside, and they give you this this thing here. So this thing has a washer on both sides, washer here, washer here. Make sure it has washer on both sides, because if there is no washer, you can have water leak. So you just connect this, and then when you want to operate it, you will connect the garden hose here, okay? And this one will go on the garden hose. Then on the other side, there is a port here, and this is where you connect the water hose, the hose that goes to the floor. Like from the machine, water will be thrown in pressure. Pressurized water will come through this hose. So this one also has a small washer here. Make sure the washer is there, and also after a few years, make sure that the washer is not worn out if possible, and put a new washer, okay? And now we just we connect it. And now this hose with pressurized water, this will get connected to this piece here, this gun, this gun. Now this gun again is comes in two pieces. So first you take this end and you connect to this gun here. You just push it in. You just push it in, and while pushing it in, you try also twist it, and then push it in, and then to lock it, you just press this one, this way, and then there is a lever here, there is a button here to lock it, to lock this gun. See this gun here. This is in case you have children who are naughty, you don't want them to use it, so you push it like this. They will not be able to use it. The reason is because if it is pressurized water or it's connected, if I point at somebody and hit him with the pressurized water, he can get injured. He can, if you put in his eyes, he can be blinded, and so on. So we open this one, okay? And then this one here, this side, you push it inside, push it, and then turn to the right to lock it, okay? And if you want to take it out, you push it a little bit inside, push it, turn to the left, and take it out. Push, turn. And then to take it out, push, turn. Push, turn to the right. And then this one here, this one, you don't have to do anything. This one to adjust the flow of water, whether the water is at 20 degrees or 40 degrees. This you can control through here. This way, I will show you when I start the machine and use it, okay? So this one is very handy, because in some other pressure washers, you have to put another thing here. Here it's automatic. You just turn. So this one is a huge improvement. And then electric cable is connected here, and there is no way to change it here. But this one is a ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI. The reason it's like this is because this is a wet machine. Sometimes water may fall on it. So if water falls on it, it will trip. So to start it, you press it, this one. This will start the power. And if you want to cut it off, to test, there is a test button. You press this. The test button will turn this breaker off. This means it's working. The test button is working. So you press there's a reset button to start, test to turn it off. So you can use a extension cord, but this extension cord must be thick cable, one piece, high quality, because the electric consumption is quite high, and you want to make sure that extension cord is good, and preferably try not to use extension cord. Okay, if you want to move the pressure washer, just carry with this, move the whole thing, and have a long water hose so that it will reach all your area. And if you need to cover a wider area, you can use extension cord. Now this machine, why did I buy it? Because if you are a homeowner, even if once a year you use the pressure washer maybe to clean the wall that has mold, the outside siding that has mold, if you want to clean it, or if you want to clean the concrete in front of your house, the driveway, if you hire a handyman, he will charge you around $150, whereas this machine costs only $80. So I have learned how to connect it. I have learned how to use it. So this $80 machine will last me at least 5 years. So that will save me a bundle of money. And this is very, also, once you use this, try to store it inside the house, not in garage where that can be extreme cold in the winter or extreme hot in the summer. Because the extreme hot and extreme cold climate can damage not only the electrical connections, but also these things that have washers. You know, I showed you the washers, those rubber washers. They can wear out in extreme cold and extreme hot. So this is about it. And then they also give you this one which you can put the soap inside, and then this you can attach here. But I have not used it, and I would rather spray my soap directly on the surface that I'm cleaning instead of using this tool. Okay, and they also give you a small pin, just like the pin of a needle that you can use to clean, that they give you, because this one has a small hole here. This one, if you look at it inside, there is a small hole here. You can insert a pin here to clean it, because sometimes this hole can become clogged with impurities. So they give you, and they also give you a manual which you can read.
I'm going to connect the water hose now to the machine. So out of the box, it already came with this adapter, so we attach that to this before attaching this. So you just insert it, you just turn this to the left until it has a nice and tight, snug fit. So I just twist it a little bit more. See, it looks nice and snug. Now I'm going to turn on the water. So I'll just start by cleaning on the first setting. So that's the first setting. Now this is the second one, and I do it just by twisting the nozzle. So now it's a little wider. You can see the pressure is also a little lower, but it gives the wider reach. finally, I picked the last one, twisting it all the way to the left until it stops. And this is the widemost.
Hello, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.